Greetings, class. I wanted to take the time and go over SimNet. There's some issues with links. They're not going to be updated until maybe next semester, so I wanted to make sure that you knew how to launch your assignments. I took a look at some of the work in LabSim, and I did not see a lot of work, so I was a bit concerned. So I just want to go over how to launch an assignment. So here we are in our class. When you scroll down to the assignment area, you have these green assignments that's linking you to test out LabSim. So you click on the link, it launches your LabSim, and when you scroll down, you have this tiny little launch test out. So what should happen is this goes directly to 8.2.1 domain hardware. It's a practice exam domain 1 hardware. So we launched this, and what's happening is it's not going directly to where it should go to. It's going to chapter 1 course introduction. So what you need to do from here, simply go up to this menu, click on it, and you're going to get, this is an exam, so you're going to go to the exam portion, this A PC Pro practice exam area. And then you're going to select which one it was, and that one was 2.1 domain hardware, right? When we launched it, that's what it says, 2.1 domain hardware. So we go back here to click on 2.1 domain hardware. I just double click that, and then I can start the exam, and that exam loads. Right, once you're done with the exam, you need to make sure that I'm aware that you're done, so just send me a message, because usually this should be automatic and it links, and then there's usually a submit button up here where you could submit it at the end of the exam. These labs launch as well, so you may have a question and then you have to launch the lab and then execute the things in the lab. It does take some time to load. And you have to drag and drop or do whatever exercises that you've previously done in the other classes, and this is just the roll-up of those classes. So you should have familiarization with that already, but I was just concerned with those links not working, and I wanted to take the time in a video to show you how to get to where you need to go, right? So make sure that you are doing your LabSims. They're an important part of your grade. We're going to go ahead and close that simulation. That usually restarts that. So make sure you are doing those. For each lesson, there are several one of these. So you just need to make sure you go through and you're clicking on those down here in the graded assignments and capstones. You remember which one you need to do, and you click on that menu. Okay, thanks a lot, class. Let's get cranking out on that LabSim. Thanks.